ॐ श्री गणेशाय नमः। ॐ श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः। ॐ श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। श्रीराम जय जय राम। 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 जय जय राम जय जय राम। ॐ रामाय रामभद्राय रामचन्द्राय वेधसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीतायाः पतये नमः। ॐ श्रीरामचन्द्राय नमः। अतुलितबलधामं हेमशैलाभदेहं दनुजवनकृशानुं ज्ञानिनामग्रगण्यं सकलगुणनिधानं वानराणामधीशं रघुपतिप्रियभक्तं वातजातं नमामि। रघुपतिप्रियभक्तं वातजातं नमामि। ॐ श्री हनुमते नमः। ॐ ध्यायामि चिन्मयानन्दं गुरुदेवं महामतिं प्रेमपूर्णं क्रियाशीलं सदा लोकहिते रतं कृपालुं सुन्दराकारं समर्थं सत्यदर्शिनं वाचा तत्त्वप्रकाशिन्या शोकमोहविनाशिनं। ॐ श्रीचिन्मयसद्गुरवे नमः। ॐ नमः श्री तुलसीदास सद्वरिष्ठाय धीमते पूरितं हृदयं येन रामप्रेमामृतेन मे। ॐ श्री तुलसीदासाय नमः। Hari Om, a very warm welcome. The great sage Yajnavalkya invited the attention of Bharadwaja Muni when he said, Bharadwaja sunu. Listen. Jahi jaba hoi bidhata bama. Whoever brings displeasure to Bidata, the creator, dhuri meru sama janaka jama tahi byala samadama. For him, even a grain will look like Meru Parvata, and even his own father will look like a Yama, the god of death. Therefore, one has to be good to please Bhagavan. That is the moral of that story. Continuing, we will now read 176. काल पाई मुनि सुनु सोई राजा भयउ निसाचर सहित समाजा दस सिर ताहि 20 भुज दंडा रावण नाम बीर बरि बंडा भूप अनुज अरिमर्दन नामा भयउ सो कुंभकर्ण बलधामा सचिव जो रहा धर्म रुचि जासु भयउ विमात्र बंधु लघुतासु नाम विभीषण जेहि जग जाना विष्णु भगत विज्ञान निधाना रहि जे सुत सेवक नृप केरे भये निसाचर घोर घनेरे काम रूप खल जिनस अनेका कुटिल भयंकर विगत विवेका कृपा रहित हिंसक सब पापी भरनी नव जाहि विश्व परितापी उपजे जदपि पुलस्त्य कुल पावन अमल अनूप तदपि महीसुर श्राप बस भये सकल अघरूप सियावर रामचंद्र की जय पवन सुत हनुमान की जय उमापति महादेव की जय बोलो भई सब संतन की जय सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय। काल पाई, in due time, Muni suno. Hey Muni, please listen, I am telling you. Soi Raja Bhayau Nisachara Sahita Samaja. That very Raja, Bhanu Pratapa. And Sahita Samaja, the entire clan was born as Nisachara. As per the curse given by the Brahmanas, Bhanu Pratapa and the entire clan became demons. Dasa siratahi bisa bajadanda. This Pratapa Bhanu, he had 10 heads and 20 arms. He was born as a demon like that. Ravana nama Bira Bari Banda. His name was Ravana. And he was an invincible hero. What do you mean by invincible hero? Veera Baradanda. He was very, very, his prowess was so high, very strong. Bhupa Anuja Arimardana Nama. And that Pratapa Bhanu had got Arimardana, a brother. Bhayavu so Kumbhakarana Baladhama. He became Kumbhakarana. Ravana, Kumbhakarana. And Baladhama, he was very abhorred. He was the very personification of all kinds of strength. Of course, physical. Of course, he also has a very good intelligence. We will see it later. Sachiva Joraha Dharma Ruchi Jasu. Sachiva. Sachiva, one of his ministers, Pratap Bhanu's minister, Dharma Ruchi Jasu. His name was Dharma Ruchi. Bhayavu Bimatra Bandhula Gutasu. He is also the brother of Pratap Bhanu, but not a direct brother, we may say step brother. He was the younger brother, step brother of Pratap Bhanu. And what did he become? Nama Bibhishana Jehi Jagajana. Whole world knows him as one of the greatest bhakta of Bhagavan, Bibhishana, Vishnu Bhakta Vijnana Nidhana. And he was not only a great devotee of Vishnu, he was also Vijnana Nidhana. He was not only physically also strong, no doubt. And here we will find Vibhishanji, he was a great storehouse of Jnanam and Vijnanam, both knowledge and wisdom. Rahije sutta sevaka nripa kere bhaye nisachara ghora ghanere. All the other sons and servants of Pratap Bhanu, bhaye nisachara, they all became demons. Ghora ghanere, very fierce, very horrible looking and very crude and very, look at the description, kama rupa khala jinasa aneka. They were very, very, very kama rupa, very desirous people. Khala, evil-minded. Jinasa aneka, they had this Maya Shakti, the power of Maya. Meaning what? They can take any shape, any form, anything through the Maya Shakti, and they can take it in different types also. Those powers they all had. Kutila Bhayankara Bigata Bibeka. They were very wicked. Kutila. Bhayankara. Very monstrous, fearful. And Bigata Bibeka. No wisdom at all. Devoid of common sense. No sense at all. Kriparahita Himsaka Sabapapi. Sabapapi, all of them are so sinful. Kriparahita, they were ruthless. No mercy at all. And Himsaka, they were, very bloody people. Bloody people, I insist, because they wanted blood. Meaning what? They were very horrible people. Barani na jahi biswa paritapi. They would torment every people in all creations, in all the worlds, which words cannot express. Biswa paritapi, barana nahi jahi. You cannot express that. Upaje jadapi pulastya kula pavana malanupa. They were all, who were they? They were all from the Pulastya Kula, the race of Pulastya Rishi. And Pavana, Amala, Anupa, all of them were very pure, very holy, very divine. But because of what? Tadapi Mahisura Shapa Basa. Because of that Shapa by the Brahmana's curse, Bhaye Sakala Agarupa, all of them became demons. Now, interestingly, in this story, you will find the story gives the cause of Ravana Avatara, not Rama Avatara. Rama, cause for Rama Avatara, we have seen earlier. Now, this story of Pratap Bhanu indicates the cause for Ravana's taking birth and all the demons. Alright. Now, interestingly, you will find Raja, Manu and Shatarupa. They did lot of tapas and they wanted Bhagavan as their son. So, what did Bhagavan say? Both of you have done very good tapas and I am very happy about it. You go to the world and take the birth in the world as Dasharatha and Kaushalya, and then I will come and take birth as your son. And all the erratic people, all those who had very, very personal, selfish desires, all of them, you can see them becoming demons. And the highest of them becomes the Ravana, who has a greatest deha-tadatnya, body identification. All of us are attached to the body. From morning to morning, why say morning to evening or night? Morning to morning, we only serve our body. Think. In whichever way you think, the circumcenter of all our activities is serving our own body because of the ego and the selfish nature. Even though we want to support somebody, we want to be recognized. Therefore, even though I do a good work, that good work has the shade of ego in it. Think. All who live with selfish desires will one day become a demon. That is a moral of the story. Continuing. कीन्ही विविध तपतीनिहु भाई, परम उग्र नहीं बरनी सो जाई। गयवु निकट तप देखी विधाता, मागहु बर प्रसन्न में ताता। करी बिनती पद गही दस सीसा, बोले वो बचन सुनहु जगदीसा। हम काहू के मरहि न मारे, बानर मनुज जाति दुई बारे। एवमस्तु तुम बड़ तप कीन्हा, मैं ब्रह्मा मिलिते ही बर दीन्हा। पुनि प्रभु कुंभ करन पहि गयवु, तेहि बैलोकी मन विसमय भयवु। जाओ एहि खलनित करब आहारु, होई ही सब उजारि संसारु। सारद प्रेरिता सुमति फेरी, मागे सिनीद मास छटकेरी। गए विभीषण पास पुनि, कहे वो पुत्र बर मागु। तेहि मागे वो भगवंत पद, कमल अमल अनुरागु। सियावर रामचंद्र की जय, पवन सुत हनुमान की जय। उमापति महादेव की जय, बोलो भाई सब संतन की जय। सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय। कीन्ही विविध तपतीनिहु भाई, all the three brothers, Ravana, Kumbhakarna and Vibhishana, all the three of them, Bibida tapatinihu bhai, all the three did very kathora tapas. Parama ugra nahi barani sojai, various kinds, very terrible, which are beyond description. Bharani sojai. गयवु निकट तप देखी विधाता, विधाता ब्रह्मा जी went near them, looking at their very intense tapas. He went near them. मागहु बर प्रसन्न में ताता, oh dear, ask me for a boon. Kari binati pad gahi das sisa. Now this particular chaupai is very interesting. Watch carefully. All right. Kari binati pad gahi das sisa. Ravana straight went and held the feet of Brahmaji. Dirgha danda pranama. Bolevu bachana sunahu jagadisa. O Lord of Universe, Brahmaji, he addressed him. Hum kahu ke marhi na mare. My prayer is that I should not die in anybody's hands. Meaning what? As though asking, I should not have death at all. Marahi na mare. Nobody should kill me. I should not die in the hands of anyone. But the Shruti say, Jatasya hi dhruvo mrityuhu. The one who has taken birth must die. So you can't escape death if you take birth. So he says, "No, that is not possible. Kuch aur mango. Ask something else." He said, "Banara manuja jati dui bare." Okay, give me a discount. What is that discount? Other than man and monkey, nobody should be able to kill me. If devatas, Danavas, Gandharvas, there are so many are there. Now these are Danavas. Any of the devatas can come to kill them because they are also equally or even more powerful. So now that Boon says nobody else can kill him other than man and monkey. If devatas cannot kill, what can poor man and monkey do? This was the intention of Ravana. Therefore, Banara Manuja Ati do bare. Barring these two, nobody should touch. Bhagavan said, Evamastu. Tathastu, in a manner of saying, so be it. Tuma badata pakinha. You have done tremendous penance, therefore, tathastu. Now look at it. May Brahma milite hi baradinha. This line indicates Shiva's words. Bhagavan Shivaji is now talking to Parvati ji, and that is being reported by Yajnavalkya to Bharadwaja Muni. In between, Shivaji says, Hey Parvati, main Shivaji, Brahma Mili, together, Tehi Baradina, together we gave him this boon. Comes back to Yajnavalkya and Bharadwaja Muni. Puni Prabhu Kumbhakarana Pahingayavu. Then Bhagavan went to Kumbhakarana. Tehi biloki mana bismaya bhayavu. Looking at his physical structure, Brahmaji also got terribly afraid. He got scared. Look at his thoughts. Jo yehi khalani takaraba aharu. In case he starts eating every day, hoi hi sab ujari samsaru. In the whole world there will be no food left for others to eat. He himself will eat everything. That big he is. Monstrous. Therefore, Brahmaji thought something has to be done immediately. No time much to think. So he turned towards his wife, Sharada, Saraswati Mata, goddess of knowledge, and said, Sharada Prerita Sumati Pheri. Saraswati, do something. Twist his mind. Now he is going to ask the boon, twist his mind, which will twist his tongue. And what is the boon he asked? In the influence or with the influence of Saraswati Devi, Magesi Nida Masa Shatakeri. What did he ask? The foolish person asked, give me sleep for 6 months and 1 day for eating. And after eating, the next day, again sleep for 6 months. There is a very long description in Valmiki Ramayana. There are so many intricate thoughts there. But I think Tulsidas ji thought, why describe so much about all these demons and all? So Brahmaji immediately said, Tatastu. Only one boon is permitted. The moment he asked, he said Tatastu before he changes his mind. Gaye Vibhishana Pasapuni. Then Brahmaji went near Vibhishana. Kahu putra baramagu. He said, oh my dear son, with lots of love. Magu, ask. Tehi magevu bhagavanta pada kamala amala anuragu. And what did he ask? He said, please give me pure love at Bhagavan's lotus feet. Kamala Amala Anuragu, pure like lotus, and Amala without any flaw in it. I want the love for Bhagavanta Pada, for the lotus feet of Bhagavan. Now this indicates two things. Now see, Ravana was an embodiment of Rajoguna. Therefore, he wanted power. He wanted sovereignty. He wanted to rule the entire universe, and that too for 100 kalpas. Therefore, he indicates Rajoguna. Kumbhakarna, what did he ask? He asked for 6 months of sleep, which indicates Tamoguna. And look at Vibhishana. He asked for Kamala Amala Anuragu, love towards Bhagavan, Bhagavan's lotus feet, pure and uncontaminated love towards his feet. This indicates Sattvaguna. All the three brothers, Ravana, Kumbhakarna, Vibhishana, Rajas, Tamas, and Sattva. And please note, all of us, every single one of us, have got all these three. And some of us have got more of Rajoguna, good amount of Tamoguna, and very less of Sattvaguna. The permutations and combinations of these three are all of us. According to the permutations and combinations are our response to the world, our evolution. Think, therefore, Chitta Shuddhi and Chitta Ekagrata is what Vibhishana indicates. One is pure mind, two, all the three actually had Chitta Ekagrata, but Vibhishana had Chitta Shuddhi, which Ravana and Kumbhakarna did not have. See, so much to understand. Earlier I thought all these demon story and all, I'll just push it off and then just go to Rama Janana. But as I started reading, I thought every line has a teaching for us. What is a hurry? We'll learn. People who see the understanding and learning part of the entire Ramacharita will enjoy this line by line. Continuing. तिनहि देई बर ब्रह्म सिधाये हर्षित ते अपने गृह आये मय तनुजा मंदोदरी नामा परम सुंदरी नारी ललामा सोई मय दीन्हि रावण ही आनी होई ही जातु धानपति जानी हर्षित भयउ नारी भली पाई पुनि दो बंधु बियाहि सिजाई गिरि त्रिकूट एक सिंधु मझारी विधि निर्मित दुर्गम अति भारी सोई मय दानव बहुरी संबारा कनक रचित मणि भवन अपारा भोगवती जसि अहि कुल बासा अमरावती जसि सत्र निवासा तिनते अधिक रम्य अति बंका जग विख्यात नाम तेहि लंका खाई सिंधु गभीर अति चारिहु दिशि फिरियाव कनक कोटि मणि खचित दृढ़ बरनी न जाई बनाव सियावर रामचंद्र की जय। हरि प्रेरित जेहि कल्प जोई जातु धानपति होई सूर प्रतापी अतुल बल दल समेत बस सोई सियावर रामचंद्र की जय। पवन सुत हनुमान की जय। उमापति महादेव की जय, बोलो भाई सब संतन की जय, सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय। तिनहि देई बर ब्रह्म सिधाई, having granted the boon, Brahmaji took a flight to his abode. हर्षित ते अपने गृह आए. All these three, Ravana, Kumbhakarna and Vibhishana, all of them very happy because they achieved what they wanted through tapas, kathora tapas. Mayatanuja Mandodari Nama. There was a demon called Maya. When you write in English, M-A-Y-A, normally we rush to read as Maya. But the name here is Maya. Maya Tanuja. Tanuja means daughter. Maya's daughter was Mandodari Nama. Her name was Mandodari. Paramasundari. She is a very beautiful lady. Nari Lalama. She was like a jewel in the womankind. A crushed jewel in the womankind. Soi Maya Dinhi Ravana Hiyani. Maya brought and gave her to Ravana in marriage. Why did he do that? Hoi hi jatu dhanapati jani. One day, Ravana, because he is the king, she will now become the queen. And just as the king has the power, the queen also has got tremendous powers. Therefore, he gave her in marriage to Ravana. Harashita bayavu nari balipai. She was also happy. And Ravana was extremely happy. Why? He got such a very good wife. Mandodari. A lot of description about her will come later. Mandodari is called as one of the Panchakanya. We will see that more later. Harashita bhayavunari balipai punidovu bandhu biyahe sijai. After getting married to Mandodari, then Ravana thought, my brothers also should get married. So their marriages were also conducted. And then where did they go? Giri Trikuta Ek Sindhu Majari. There was a hill called Trikuta in the midst of the sea. It was a three-peaked mountain, Trikuta. Very beautiful mountain. Bidhi Nirmita Durgama Ati Bhari. This Trikuta mountain had a very huge fortress which was built by Brahmaji himself. Bidhi Nirmita. Durgama were not very easily available, but they got it. Soi Maya Danava Bahuri Savara. The demon Maya, who was a great architect, Soi Maya Danava Bahuri Savara, he renovated the entire, Trikuta mountain and the fort in that at the top of the mountain. Kanakarachita Mani Bhavana Apara. The fort contained Kanakarachita and Mani Bhavana with lot of jewels and, etc., etc. Rubies and diamonds and etc. were all used, and Kanakarachitamani Bhavana Apara, great palaces were built with gold and diamond and jewels. Bhogavati Jasi Ahikula Basa. Bhogavati is a palace in the Patala Loka where only snakes live. At the same time, Amaravati Jasi Satra Nivasa. The gods lived in a beautiful place called Amaravati. Extremely beautiful. Devatas lived there. Which is also called capital of Indra. Amaravati. Tinate adhikaramya atibanka. And it was this particular Trikuta was, of course, Amaravati itself is so glamorous and so beautiful, and Jagabikhyata Namatihi Lanka. This Trikuta was very, very famous by the name Lanka, which looked more beautiful, most glamorous than even Amaravati. That is a quality. That is a quality of their thinking and the quality which is implemented to create such a fantastic place to live. Khai Sindhu Gabhirati. This ocean actually was very deep, surrounded by water on all sides. Charihudi Sipiriyava, surrounded by all the sides by water. Kanaka Kota Mani Khachita Dridha Barani na Jai Banava. A very, very strong fortification was done. In the form of renovation. It was well fortified, again with gold and diamonds and jewels. And then in the next doha, along with that, attached with that, Tulsidas says, Hari prerita jehi kalpa joi jatu dhanapati hoi. Hari prerita. It is Bhagavan Hari who actually decides who has to become the Ravana in a particular kalpa. And who becomes the worst person. Therefore, beware, be careful whenever you think wrongly, whenever you do wrong things, be careful. What? Ravana's throne is waiting for you. Jatu dhanapati hoi. You will become the chief of demons. In a lighter way of saying, don't take it seriously. I know all of you are good. If you are listening to Rama Katha, then you can't be that bad. Therefore, don't worry. Sura Pratapi Atula Bala. Who will that person be? How will that person be? Shura, very valorous. Pratapi, a hero, tremendous strength. Atula Bala, invincible, incomparable might he must have. Dalasameta Basasoi. Dalasameta, along with this entire retinue, he will live in that place called Trikuta. Remember? Sattva Vibhishana, Tamas Kumbhakarna, and Rajas Ravana. When Rajas, Tamas and Sattva come together, how a person behaves, all the three actually had all the three of them. Ravana also had Sattva, Rajas and Tamas. Kumbhakarna also had Sattva, Rajas and Tamas. Vibhishana of course had Sattva, Rajas and Tamas, but the proportion changed. Ravana was predominantly, he had Rajas. Kumbhakarna had predominantly Tamas, and Vibhishana had predominantly Sattva. Therefore, the gunas play their role out in the world. Similarly, we also are born with Sattva, Rajas and Tamas. At times, the Sattva Guna Pradhana person does so very beautiful activities. Very good thinking comes from his intelligence. But Rajoguna Pradhana, he is restless. He wants to do this. He wants to do that. He wants to achieve that. He wants to achieve this. And Tamoguna Pradhana is a person who is damn lazy. Inertia overpowered. In all the three cases, something comes out of them as per the combination of sattva, rajas, tamas. What is it that which has to come out depends on the value systems which we take in. A gunavanta purusha. Purusha, when I say Stri is also included. A gunavanta manava is a person who will become an icon in the society, who will lead the nation, who will give lot of wonderful ideas, etc., etc., etc. Another person who is very rajoguna oriented person, he will be a great worker in the world. He might become a service person in the army, air force, navy, or in the world in many ways. And a tamasic person is one who is inefficient, impotent, and he has no meaningful life. Now, when we are a combination of all the three, which one of them do we exercise for a longer duration of time? Do I exercise sattva guna for longer time, rajoguna for longer time, or tamoguna for longer time? Think. A person whose sattva guna is predominant, that person is called noble person, good person, a good leader, a hero of the masses, an icon in the society. The one who is with predominantly rajoguna, he can be either good or bad based on what he activates more. Along with rajoguna, if he activates the sattva guna, then the action will be good. Good for oneself and good for the society. But if it takes the camp of the tamoguna, then the activities will be very evil. Bad for oneself, bad for the society also. Therefore, what are we is a question that we have to ask for ourselves, and how are we retaliating? How are we responding? How are we reacting? How are we evolving in this? Life is a very clear picture of what do I respect more, what do I entertain more, sattva, rajas, or tamas. Think. We will continue tomorrow. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om Sadgurunath Maharaj Ki Jai.